Hexagon's virtual assembly software solution that enables users to evaluate and optimize the manufacturing process virtually to get it right, fit, and function faster in reality. The process starts with nominal CAD. We're going to create a mesh using an automated capability that includes refinement based on weld locations. Next, we're going to automatically generate and incorporate results from forming simulation. We're going to morph that part geometry based on the scan data to ensure that the geometry in our simulation matches the reality of the part on the shop floor. You can see the parts moving into shape to match the scan. And here is the deviation between the morphed geometry and that scan. Next, we're going to simulate the spot welding of the subassembly. Here, you can see each part is clamped into the fixture so that mate the two subassemblies together in the assembly fixture. Finally, we're going to weld the two subassemblies together in a marriage welding fixture. Now we can see that we've removed the part from the fixture, and we are evaluating the surface deviation or distortion results of that part as it exists in the post-welded condition with the reference point system applied. With Hexagon's virtual assembly solution, we can evaluate and optimize that manufacturing process virtually, getting it right faster in reality.